All right, Fuquay Middle, going to give you a little instructional tutorial about OneNote if you want to share it to your PLT or even to your students. So on the screen right now, you see that I was working on OneNote, adding some coordinate plane activities, and on the right, you see a bunch of pages that I already added onto my notebook. So up here on the left, top left, it says Jeff's Math Notebook. So I wanted to share it with my PLT. So if you want to share it, you can go up to the top left, hit File, all right? And then we should come to this notebook information. So I'm going to share my Jeff's Math Notebook, and I want to make sure that it is saved to the OneDrive. So if it's shared to OneDrive, then I just scroll down the left side to put Share, and make sure where it says Share Notebook at the top, it says Jeff's Math Notebook, and you have some options: share with people, get a sharing link, share with meeting, move notebook. If you want to share with people, you're going to get the screen. You can type the email address of your PLT or whoever you want, and then you have an option here that if you want them to edit, or you can even change it to view only. I'm going to leave it on can edit. Put in your message. There's a checkbox: require user to sign in before accessing document. You can check or uncheck that. Then you have share. Now mine is already shared, so I have my math PLT I've already shared with. But once you have those settings done, you just click share, and it will go to those people. Now the good thing about this OneNote is that as you are adding stuff to it, it updates really frequently. I would say almost instantly based on what I've been doing today. If you want to get a sharing link, which would probably be great if you want to share this with students, especially after a lesson is done and you want to share your notes, you can just go to get sharing link, and it says view link and edit link. So make sure if you're sharing it with students, you definitely get the view link, and all you have to do is copy and paste that into your remote website and instruct students that that's where your notes for the classes will be. Hope this helps. Good luck, everybody. And I'm sure everybody is getting along through this unusual time. Thank you.